Integrating Authorize Net Payment Form is a straightforward process that enables businesses to accept online payments securely and efficiently. To begin, you need to create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key, which are required for authentication. First, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the API Access section, where you can find your API login ID and transaction key. Copy these credentials securely, as they will be used to authenticate your payment requests. Next, choose the payment form you want to integrate, such as a simple payment form or a more advanced hosted payment form. The simple payment form allows customers to enter their payment information directly on your website, while the hosted payment form redirects customers to a secure Authorize Net page to enter their payment information. To integrate the payment form, you will need to use the Authorize Net API, which provides a set of pre-built functions to handle payment transactions. You can use the API to generate a payment form, handle payment submissions, and retrieve payment responses. When integrating the payment form, ensure that you handle errors and exceptions properly, such as declined payments or network errors. You should also implement security measures, such as SSL encryption and secure tokenization, to protect sensitive customer information. To test your payment form integration, use the Authorize Net sandbox environment, which allows you to simulate payment transactions without actually processing payments. Once you have tested your integration, you can switch to the live environment and start accepting real payments. Best practices for integrating Authorize Net payment form include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, and following payment card industry data security standards. You should also keep your Authorize Net API credentials secure and up to date, and monitor your payment transactions regularly to detect any potential issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Authorize Net payment form into your website and start accepting online payments securely and efficiently. This will enable you to expand your customer base, increase sales, and improve your overall business operations.